Hey, what's up guys, it's Jesus. Welcome back to another detailing video. Today's car is a 2017 Toyota Camry. We are going to be doing a full detail on it. The car wasn't that bad, but there were some areas that were kind of bad, just enough so that we could pull out the extractor for you guys. If you guys aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell button. That way it'll notify you whenever I upload a future video. Thank you. So to get started on this detail guys, we're going to go ahead and rinse the whole car, getting off any debris before we start the washing process. Now with the foam cannon, we're going to go ahead and spray it on the entire car, and then we're going to let it sit for a couple minutes, making sure all that dirt and debris is coming down with the foam. After that, we're going to go ahead and rinse off the whole car and begin washing it. If you guys are curious for all the products that I use in my videos, I am going to be finding all the links for these products and linking them down in the description. So maybe like in the next video or two, I will have them down there. So to start with the interior, as you guys saw in the before shots, the floor mats were pretty dirty, but they also did a good job from keeping away all the dirt from the carpet inside of the car because the carpets weren't that bad. The client also did ask me to shampoo the back seats, so we went ahead and did that. Now to the floor mats, we're gonna go ahead and give them a deep vacuum, taking off as much dirt as we can before we start extracting. our Suds Box interior cleaner, we're going to go ahead and wipe down the whole interior, such as the controls, the console, and all the plastic panels. Now with our Armor All Ultra Shine and Protection, we're going to go ahead and UV coat all the panels, the console, and the controls. Alright guys, here are the after shots of the vehicle when I was finished. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button with the little bell button. That way it'll notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys.